Hello guys, welcome back to Yummy Yum with the Marinate. And in today's episode, it's going to be very interesting because we are going to be preparing Korean chicken and some spicy chips. So let me just take you through my mise en place. Depending on the size of your potatoes, let me just give you an example of mine. I used 1 liter of water, add some salt into the water, add some garlic into the water, then marinate the potatoes in it for 30 minutes. Onto my spices. I've got salt to taste, 1 tablespoon of paprika, chili powder and some freshly cut chilies. Moving on to the Korean chicken side, I just want to take you through my mise en place of the Korean chicken. I first started by boiling my chicken so that the inner part may be cooked, well cooked. I've got some 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Soy sauce, I'll only be using 2 tablespoons of it. I've got my grated garlic and ginger. 5 tablespoons of tomato sauce. It's a little bit interesting, huh? 2 tablespoons of chicken masala. And as usual, my coriander that I'll be using to garnish. So meanwhile, guys, make sure you subscribe, and share our video. Stay tuned. Okay, so guys, we're going to begin by preparing our spicy chips. So make sure you've drained excess water in the potatoes. You can even use a cloth to dry it. Okay, let's add the Irish potatoes into the hot oil. So guys, while our chips are getting ready, I want to show you how to make the chips garnish. We'll mix the paprika, just a little salt because you marinated it with salt. Just a little salt. And I'm going to be using the chips, I'm going to be using the chili powder. I'll only target the chili powder. I'm only targeting the chili powder. So I'm going to whisk it until it mixes. So let's check on our chips. So guys, our chips are ready. So on to the next step. We're going to pour and just garnish it and mix it well. So guys, introducing our spicy chips. Hooray! So guys, our chips are ready. Now we are going to move to Korean chicken. You'll just take a little bit of the garlic and the ginger, a little bit of the chilies, and you just mix it like you're marinating. So guys, if you can get garlic powder, You can use it to marinate, but me I prefer the natural one. So after it was mixed well, we're going to move to the next step. We're going to be passing it in the all-purpose flour, one by one. To mix the all-purpose. So guys, I'm done passing it through the all-purpose flour. We're moving on to the next step. We're going to deep fry. We're going to deep fry them till they are golden brown. So guys, my chicken are ready. I don't love them so much crunchy, so I'm going to take them out. So guys, our last step of the Korean chicken, I'm going to add the garlic and the ginger into the hot oil. We'll add in the chilies. So I've added in my chicken masala and just a little salt. I'm going to be measuring 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. And lastly, I'll be adding in the tomato sauce. Guys, once the paste is ready, we'll add in the chicken in the mix. So guys, once you've mixed it thoroughly, we're going to be garnishing it. Ta-da! Our Korean chicken is ready, so we are going to garnish. Guys, our meal is ready. You can decide to serve it hot with some cold juice. Like mine, I have served it with a blended pineapple juice and some avocado. So guys, thank you so much for watching our today's video. Make sure you subscribe, share, and give us a thumbs up. See you in my next video. Bye bye.